Pastrana. Thank you for patiently waiting. Hello, ma'am. Yes, so inform ko lang po kayo manano. So now we're in the transferring your records and credential from the old account to the new account. So transfer na po lahat, even yung existing balance. Pero walang magbabago, same username, same account number. Nag-update lang po tayo ng account nyo from the old account to the Beta 2.0. So after po natin siya makomplete process sa email, pwede nyo po ma-review lahat ng mga pre-process natin. So kung meron po tayong question, feel free to ask before we end this call, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, yung papalitan lang po natin, Ms. Pastrana, is yung card details po. Same, the first 8 is 5318260. The last 8 digits po yung papalitan natin. Then, yung ating expiration date, extend po natin siya for 5 years. And then, card verification value, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, I will send you the last confirmation text for completing the process. Then, I will send you via email, okay? Kindly stay on the line. Thank you for patiently waiting. Hello, ma'am.
Yes po.
Yes, so I will send you the last confirmation text for completing the process. Then I will send you via email. Kindly check kung may na-receive. Then kindly validate the 6-digit over the recorded line. Via text message pa rin po tayo, ma'am. Then after that, mag-i-email na po kami sa inyo.
O, bakit may ganito?
CBC po yan, ma'am. Hello?
Yes po.
Yes. Yung na-receive po natin is CBC, current balance and credential. Ayun po yung pinapaliwanag ko po sa earlier na transfer na po lahat, even yung existing balance. Pero ma'am, nagre-reflect pa rin po yan sa online banking natin. So after po natin siya makomplete process, 2 to 3 minutes, bibigyan ko po kayo ng go signal para po makapag-open sa online banking nyo. Okay?
May possible shares tayo. Para sabihin ko naman.
Pero darating, hindi pa sure kung, basta this week.
Basta
Hello?
I-verify ko lang kasi tinatransfer mo lahat ng account ko eh.
Ayun nga po ma'am, yung pinapaliwanag ko sa inyo earlier. So now we're in the transferring your records and credentials from the old account to the new account. So transfer na po lahat, even yung existing balance. Pero ma'am, like what I said earlier, 2 to 3 minutes, bibigyan ko po kayo ng go signal para po makapag-open sa online banking nyo. So mare-reflect pa rin nyo po doon, okay? Kaya nga po hindi tayo allowed mag-drop ng call since over the recorded line. Then para rin po may assurance yung client namin. Okay po? Ayan na po kasing last confirmation text for completing the process. Then I will send you via email. So sa email ma'am, marireview nyo po lahat ng mga pre-process natin. Okay?
Wait lang po. Pwede mag...
So,
pwede ako mag-verify.
Ito na po kasing last confirmation text natin na ma'am no, for completing the process. Bago po tayo pumunta sa branch, ang kailangan po is ma-process na po natin siya. So by Wednesday po kasi, pwede nyo na pong pick upan yung bago po natin na card, okay?
Wait lang.
Okay, so kindly validate the 6 digit. Ang kailangan lang po is mag-match dito sa aming